What's up, everyone? So, hey, real quick, this is an update for you. It is the beginning of September 2025, and I want to let customers know if you have MVP Actions Workflow CL Pro, if you have that set, then check your email if you haven't already, somewhere around the beginning of September here, because we have pushed out an update. Now we have the 30-degree hue HSB replaced with a white mask, and we have the same thing with black mask. Now it's multiple masks, but we can view on white and we can view on black. So two things as I run the white one to show in case, you're new to the set, you don't know what it does. You have to start from a blank, not a blank layer, a flattened layer, or the background itself, hit continue. I want to let you know that we do have videos explaining the entire action set and what these things mean. So you can really learn about it. We'll link that somewhere. I'm sure we'll link it in a card or something and in the description. Second of all, visualizers are huge. And this is why it's so important that we did this change. Let me explain what I'm saying. So when you have a huge layer stack like this, which as a reminder, please watch the videos on how all of this works so you don't feel, oh, I can't do this. You don't have to panic. You can do this and the videos will teach you. But if you hold down Alt or Option on something like this and you click the little eyeball of the reds folder, for example, right? Boom. Now we can see where all the reds are, but you'll notice it's on a white background. Now, sometimes that's good. Sometimes we want to see it on a white background. Excuse me. I'm going to delete that stack and run the black mask one. Now, same story, should start in the background or a stamp to a new layer. And we were asked, or I was asked directly, hey, can the mask be on black because it's kind of hard to see? Now, being that the main focus of all my tools is to have a tool set that works on the layers window actively. No third-party windows that open up. All that's fine for external processors and stuff, but I like to keep everything on the layers window so it can be integrated into a workflow, right? So here we are. If we hold down Alt or Option and click reds, now, well, let's try it again. Click reds, there it is. You can see it on the reds. So I click that off. I can see the oranges. I can see the yellows, which are barely there. Let's go down to the blues because there'll be some of those for sure. The azures, there they are. Regular blues, there they are. Now, again, we have a video, or several actually, that explain how all this works, but just as a quick overview, this is a HSB replacement, so I can literally change the hue of the reds to anything I want. I can even, make it pure white if I want to. I can make it pure black if I want to. I can literally swap out the HSB for exactly that. So all the reds are currently being red because of this one red solid color layer, but the oranges can also be changed. I can darken the oranges. I can change the hue to greens. There's just so many things you can do with the power of HSB replace, but we have now made it to where you can preview or visualize with a black background, right? That's very, very important again for visualization. Huge for this action set, but even more so for upcoming action sets where visualizers are everything. We're all about precision control. We're all about making sure that we can integrate things into your workflow in a way that makes sense and still give you the power that you need. So again, you can close this folder out. Look how unintimidating it is. Please watch the videos about it so you can learn to see how it works. And yeah, for portraits like what I do, it's very useful. But this set of actions for landscape, architectural, product, and things like that, it is absolutely wonderful. It's our best-selling set of actions for people who don't shoot portraits, but we have plenty of people who do shoot portraits who are really, really benefiting from it. So again, watch the videos. There's a whole playlist. We'll probably link to that, to be honest. Any questions, leave me a comment below. But again, as of September 1st, Workflow CL Pro customers, if you already bought it, look for your update because you'll have now the black mask option.